Welcome, everyone. It's great to have you here. Claudio, I'm so excited to share with our viewers about our upcoming Hold Me Tight workshop. And let me first introduce myself. I'm Trisha Kim Walsh, and I'm a licensed marriage and family therapist and a certified emotionally focused therapist. And I'm joined by my wonderful, esteemed friend and colleague, Claudio.
Yes, my name is Claudio Silva. I am also a marriage and family therapist and a certified emotionally focused therapist.
Yes, and we're excited to talk to you about this upcoming Hold Me Tight workshop that we're going to be offering very soon. We are really passionate about working with couples, Claudio. We love helping couples increase their bonding, their communication, to be able to understand those moments when it's so hard to express what you're feeling inside because you get into these pesky conflicts.
Yeah, and especially because something that happens a lot with couples for many years is that when they talk to each other, they talk in a way that they have more problems. They become angry sometimes. And what we help couples is to go underneath. Instead of talking about the context, but being vulnerable, expressing their feelings to each other. And this helps to have a better communication, to feel more connected, more emotionally engaged, as you said. This becomes like much easier to problem solve.
Right. And we also want to acknowledge that being a part of this workshop, we are dedicated to making sure that this experience is engaging to make you feel safe, to allow you to see your partner in a new way of bonding. And we're going to create a safe environment where we're accessible to questions. And we also want this to be a fun experience where you again get to slow down the hecticness of everyday life and to see your partner in a way that you would call them not just your partner, but calling them your good friend. That's the kind of dedication we have is we want everyone to feel comfortable. And I also want to emphasize that all couples are welcome, regardless of background, regardless of age, regardless of wherever you are at this time in your relationship, all are welcome. And we cannot wait to meet you.
We want to invite you to click the link below and to register for the workshop. And we look forward to seeing you there. Thank you so much.